it was at?
No, you're asking me.
I'm not sure what you're talking about. Like if it's on, if it's on Thursday, or was it on Monday?
Can I finish my conversation?
What
Sounds so
conversation?
slow.
What
I think Ryan. I'm not sure if it was Ryan that smelled.
Ryan did a number 2 in his pants? No? Oh, I thought he did.
Where are you going?
We're going to Las
I know where I'm
Vegas.
going.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
God.
Jeez, Taylor,
No,
stop
I'm not,
asking stupid.
I'm not to bring this up to you. You guys are spending a night, Saturday night at Tim's.
Yes.
I thought there was a dance going on.
There is.
There is.
So who's going to this dance?
I think just David.
Yeah.
David is.
Okay, then why couldn't I have the party on Saturday? You told me I couldn't.
No, because I thought Tim was going. Also, I thought some other people were.
You're not lying to me, Taylor.
Why would I lie to you? At the time, I didn't know.
Because you guys spend the night over at Tim's on Saturday.
Yeah. No, that was before, though. I knew. We decided to make the date. See, wait, do you know where Tim's house is from here?
Yeah.
No, like
It's further down. I downloaded MapQuest.
it's not that far down.
Down there.
Is it that far? Oh my god. This is a normal free race still.
And I'm telling you, you better not leave that house.
Oh wait, so it's past this one up here?
Yeah.
Further down, I haven't. I'll show you the
There's
map.
another exit right there.
That's
Yeah,
going to
past
your
that
school.
one.
Yeah. That's so close. What are you talking about, woman?
And it's like a right
God.
onto the next bridge that's coming up, and then you just keep on going right into the.
I can't wait till I get my license and we're all driving a Santa Cruz.
Yeah. Oh yeah, right, Taylor.
Well, I'm gonna do my written test next week, which
You want to practice at home at our house?
Well, I have the practice test from Miss Shank. She
I have them all too.
Yeah.
Why don't you do a few at my house? And
Yeah, because I need a pass.
Yeah.
Because my dad, the guy who's giving me the car, he's gonna bring my dad to the DMV today, I think. And they're gonna go to the DMV and register my car, and then then it just needs to be smogged and everything. Then my dad will be able to drive it. And
why doesn't he drive his white car?
He doesn't have a white car.
The white truck.
He sold that.
He sold his truck?
He has his green truck still, but that's broken.
Oh, you know he sold his white truck.
Because he needed the money.
I know your dad had a white truck.
Yeah, it was a little white truck. Kind of like that gray one right there. Right on the right,
Yeah.
that you didn't look at.
Oh.
I saw. That's too bad.
Yeah. That was a nice white truck, though.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you get for it?
I forget.
You know, but times are tough for everybody. I guess you gotta do what you have to do.
Yeah.
You know? Feel bad for you, Dan. I mean, if I had the money, I'd give you guys to help. I'm broke. If I were rich, I'd help you guys. But I'm trying to get myself out of debt.
I win the lottery one day.
I wish.
And I'm gonna be a YouTube star. Because I'm gonna be making a commercial with this guy and another guy, and then that's gonna get me famous on YouTube, and then I'll get paid for
He's
that.
going out on the 6th of December because that's the earliest to get him in for his driving test. Nothing open in November. I couldn't believe it. Huh? I know. He's gonna get bugs in his teeth. Okay, bye. Hit your stomach.
Hit right here.
Why is your nipple still
Yeah.
softy?
Yeah. My nipples are sensitive.
Because he's got the metabolism where he doesn't burn the fat as easy.
Look at those chumps.
So, what are we doing here? We're...
Picking up Kyle.
Who's that, and why are we here?
We should steal their truck.
Oh,
The other day I put a note on my brother's, because my brother works here, my younger brother, and I put a note on his green truck and the Toyota.
I see Kyle. He's all the way over there.
What's all that hair?
Where is he?
He's right there.
Right over there.
Look at the plaque. Yo, yo, yo.
Oh my god.
What did it do?
Animal.
What is she doing?
Animal Planet.
What is this?
She's old baggage claim.
Excuse
Damn
me,
lady.
old lady.
You're not supposed to stop.
Old baggage claim. Look it up. Hi, babe.
Stop calling him that. God, she stops on a red zone. I don't care if you have one class. You need to shower. Okay, you had the whole day to do it and
That's
you
gross.
did not do it. The way I left it.
This one kid did not shower whatsoever. Okay,
You didn't shower
Yeah, I did. I showered every day.
with water.
No. Hey, I had to use the stupid soap because the freaking airport took my soap. So it's not my fault.
Yes,
Well,
it
they
is.
do have soap in the showers.
I did use that.
I don't know. You smelled pretty good when you got off the
I did. I showered. I took the bar soap and put it in between my legs.
You know what, Taylor? I don't need to hear your detail.
You know, I was little. Like after I
Now, is
took
there
it.
smart and final driving out this way?
Yeah, that is smart.
Sure.
No, seriously.
And it is final. It's the final smart thing you could ever do.
There's one next where Target is.
I know.
Now, did you know, like when I was little?
Where, are we near Westgate or?
I don't know.
No, Target where we always
After
go to.
like when I got in the shower
Is
and
there
before,
one over on
I-
this side?
I took a
where we
crap.
went?
Sorry, I don't know when you were little and you took a
see
shower.
when I was little.
Have to. There's one
After I
out
took a
this
crap
way.
and I went in the shower, I took the bar soap and shoved it up my butt.
Taylor,
What?
knock it off. Okay? You're being a pig now.
Yeah, I know. Good times.
Knock it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys don't even shower when you do a workout in PE.
Showering with men is gross. I'm
You're
not.
in a different stall.
I don't. No, there's stalls in there.
No.
No,
Taylor, you wear boxers. That's why you
No, you
wear
don't.
extra boxers.
no one wears boxers.
You're fully naked.
Yeah, but you don't have. He said he could shower in boxers.
No, you can't. It's
Why?
it's the law at school. It's
It's unsanitary.
yeah, because then like it's just how school is. School
And
is
like,
They said you can't wear boxers when you shower. It's like wearing a bathing suit.
no.
No, it's like wearing your birthday suit. When you came out of the womb, it was your birthday.
So what's wrong with that? You have everything they have.
But it's weird. I don't care. I don't shower with men. I'm not gay.
No, that's like showering at a jail or a prison.
So what are you going to do if you're ever in prison? You're ever going to shower?
No.
No.
Shower. Be like fags. I'm not-
You have no choice. You have to shower.
I have to.
They make you. You think you don't have rules to follow in prison?
Nope. All we do is beat up other people in the jail.
If we ever go to jail, we should make sure we live in the same cell.
I'm glad I left what I did. I had a feeling you were going to call early. How come you got out of phone?
Yes.
But can you get up
You
just
like
to
that?
leave?
Who here likes the butt?
Taylor, knock it off.
Larry.
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 It's me,
Talk to me.
Pepe Le Pew. Oh, that's just an Asian. His eyes were completely...
Taylor opens his stuff in the car.
Why do you have to bring Taylor into it? Will you guys stop doing that to each other? Jeez.
I'm patient.
Well, you know what? You don't need to bring his name into it all the time.
You know, yawning is contagious.
Yeah, because you just got me.
Do you want to just like sneak into that truck and open that up? Someone's driving away like that.
Make it fall on someone else's car.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right there.
Oh.
I got whiplash from that. I'm gonna sue. Did he wave?
No.
Freaking Brian. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, he's still crawling around up there. Fudge.
How much
I think
did
it's
you do
stuck.
to
Oh, but it feels so fudging good. Oh god, shove a gerbil in your ass.
Taylor.
Too. Ew, 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 ew. Say hello to my power drill. You know the fudging drill. How you douchebags feel knowing you're disposable. Summer's Eve Massingale. Shady's got the mass appeal, baby. Crank that shit, cause it's...
Taylor! Knock it off!
No! Mommy! He's making funny faces at me and it's scaring me.
Why did Fluffy have to go?
Because I ate her.
I got it, Taylor. I got it. Taylor! Taylor, you guys better not be staring at people.
I'm not. I'm just looking at that guy. I just
Oh,
glanced.
stop! He's in the car right now.
Yeah, we're not gonna go anywhere.
So I'm gonna call there if I have to.
5EPJ000.
4RHE2936. You know, one Mom told me to get the mail, and I wasn't done with getting the mail, and Mom started closing up the window. My neck was in the way. Come on, Mom! Ah! Remember that? You turn it away?
What are you doing?
Hi.
You're a retarded nun.
Hi.
You're gonna ruin the shirt.
Nice day.
Taylor,
Mommy.
put that down.
Yes.
Taylor!